Do you want to create a fun vote for your audience? Hi, my name is Lila Larchenko and welcome to Choicely's App Masterclass. Choicely App Builder has been used to create some of the biggest voting apps on the planet, like Miss Universe, whose app got over 3 million app downloads in 5 weeks. Votes are a great way to create a buzz among your audience, no matter what business you're in. And votes are easy to do with Choicely App Builder. I'll show you how. Go to the Choicely Contest Builder and choose Voting. Add basic settings like the title, description, duration, and cover image for your voting. Define the choices, who or what will the users vote for. Here I'm adding American football players. You can set how many free votes are given to users. Then click the Publish Contest on the bottom when you're ready. And now you can publish your voting in your app. You can also copy-paste it onto your website. Here you can also adjust how your voting looks like and change the look and feel of your voting. Finally, go see the results of your voting anytime. You can also create a paid votes with Choicely. We can help you set it up. Would you like to try it? Go to choicely.com and start building.